So in this video, I'm going to show everybody how to use our new machine that we just got in recently, which is our VetStat machine. So the first thing that you're wanting to do is go ahead and pull up the patient that you are needing to run the test on and request it. That way it sends everything to the computers and sends everything to QBEX. One important thing to remember is when you are requesting this test, you need to remember to choose both tests. So remember to click on the gas test and the calcium test. Once you've requested your test, you can go ahead and go to QBEX and pull out the test that you need. And then you'll want to go ahead and go over to the lab computer. Go ahead and select your patient on the left-hand side and then hit run. Because we are running two tests, you have to make sure you click on this button right here twice. Once that is done, you can go ahead and hit run. Once that is complete, you can go ahead and run your test. You will notice there are some barcodes on the packaging. You want to scan that on the machine like this. And you will hear a beep, which means it read it. And then the machine will prompt you on what to do next. It will tell you to go ahead and open the cover, rip open your test, and you'll have to wipe it off with a Kim wipe because dust and other particles will get onto the test. Once you finish that, you can go ahead and set it down into the machine. It only fits in one way. You can go ahead and close the lid, and then the patient information will go ahead and prompt itself. The machine will make some noises, and you will see this pop up on the screen. It says that it's purging gas lines. While the machine is running, you can go ahead and get your sample ready. The sample can come straight from the syringe, or it can come from the green top, and you don't want to spin the green top down. You'll need about 0.3 mils. After the machine is done purging, you can go ahead and select your patient. At the very top of the list, you'll see stat. So if we have an emergency case come in, you can click that button. Otherwise, you want to click the bottom button. We are using a test patient, which is why it says test K9. But whenever you request your own test, it'll have the patient's name. It'll ask you if the patient's information is correct. Go ahead and verify that. You do not have to worry about operator ID, and then hit next. The next question, it's going to ask you where did you get your sample from. So you want to select what type of sample it is. On the next page, you can hit next, next, and next. And then you can go ahead and click finish. After you press finish, the machine will ask you to mix your sample, so you just want to gently do as you see in this video. Once you've completed mixing your sample, you can go ahead and insert it into the machine like so. And then you can click OK. The machine will go ahead and aspirate this sample. Once it has enough sample, the machine will beep at you again, and it will start running the test. Once the sample is done running, you will see the machine tell you to wait. It will go ahead and print out the results on the machine itself, but you will also get a printed paper as well. And then it will also show you on the machine. Once you have your results, you can go ahead and press home. And then you can go ahead and finalize your patient and throw away the test and the sample. The nice thing with this machine is it does automatically upload the test results to the patient on Impromed as well, so we don't have to worry about importing the results ourselves. And that's how you use our new machine that we just got. It's called VetStat, and if you guys have any questions or concerns, please reach out to management.